I'm back from my travels from work. It's been an absolutely crazy week, and I have had my Mary Kay order arrive in while I was gone, so I'm heading out again tomorrow. We're on holiday for a week down in Queenstown here in New Zealand. It is the most beautiful place ever. We go there every year to a golf resort. So I'm hoping that I might be able to take a little bit of footage while I'm down there. So if you would like to see one of the most beautiful places in New Zealand, give this video a thumbs up because I'd love to show you just how amazing it is. So we just go down there to relax, go and visit some wineries, read a book. It's just my few days of rest and relaxation, and just go for walks, dining. I sometimes even go to the gym just because I'm on holiday and I suddenly feel a lot better and more energetic. So yeah, give the video a thumbs up and I will see what I can do for you guys. But in the meantime, I've got my order here. I desperately need to get some things out on the courier today to my customers who have been patiently waiting, and I know there's some stuff in here for me, but I can't quite remember what I ordered. So let's dive in and have a quick look. So it's not a very big order this time around, but there were some things that I did desperately need. Okay, so first up is something for me, of course. This is the Blissful Pomegranate scented one. I am absolutely loving this. I've already got a really love that hand cream. I've got here some Luminous Wear foundation. That's a stock item for my customers so that I've always got them on hand. I've got the new 3D day cream in combination to oily. This is also a stock item for my customers. I've got the Perfecting Concealer in Deep Ivory. I have some customers buying this, so this is actually an order that I need to get out. They go through tons of that stuff. It's so good since they've changed it to the wand. It makes application so much easier. What else have we got here? A CC cream in, make sure I got the right one, light to medium, which is a customer order that I need to get out today desperately. Then we've got the 4-in-1 cleanser in the Minimize 3D. What are you guys thinking of this new range? I've only just started using it because I had to use up my old stuff first, but so far I'm really liking it. What do you guys think? Are you liking it? It is a lot thicker than what I was used to, but I don't seem to be having too many issues. I've got Timeways body lotion. We go through buckets of this stuff in our house, so we always have plenty of those on hand. And then I've also got oil-free eye makeup remover. This is the best eye makeup remover in the world, in my opinion. I'm sure if you're a Mary Kay consultant, you will agree with me. So I always have plenty of those on hand. 2 of the body lotions. Actually, we've got another body lotion. I did tell you we go through tons of that stuff. And then the last one is, oh, I got this one for me. I forgot. The Tone Correcting Serum. So I have not tried this one. I have used the vitamin C one. Sorry, the name escapes me. And I obviously used the night solution. And I just wanted to try something new, just to maybe brighten a little bit. I feel like I need to do some of that because it's summer here, and obviously in summer I start to, get freckles and things like that, and I just felt like maybe this would be a nice serum to try. For dry to oily skin, powered by our breakthrough exclusive perfectly bright complex, this serum lets you reclaim the look of brighter, more even, younger skin tone. After cleansing, apply evenly over face and neck. So yeah, a pretty bottle. So let's see if it's got any smell. So it's a really nice light gel. Doesn't have a lot of scent, it just sort of smells fresh, and it's really light, like it's just soaking in really quick. So yeah, what do you think? Do you guys use this? If you do, what do you think of it? Or are you using a different serum? If so, for what reasons? What's your favorite? I'd love to know. So there you go. That's my very quick Mary Kay order. I need to get these customer orders out today on the courier because we're on a flight first thing in the morning. I need to pack. I need to go and do something with my hair. nails, all of the stuff, as we girls do when you're going on holiday. You need to, get ready for the holiday look. So that's what I've got to do this afternoon. So yeah, look forward to seeing you all again really soon. And oh, I actually forgot, in case you haven't seen, so I've been going to some training events with our unit. So here in New Zealand we have a great big campaign happening called Fearless Woman. So I went to the event and took some video footage for it. So the directors there have done some amazing training on getting back to basics, getting leads, getting the appointment. What else did we do? We did a role play of a one-on-one beauty appointment, and we also did some information on the new skin analyzer tool. So that looks really, really amazing. I don't know whether that's available worldwide at this stage. I don't know too much about it just yet, but yeah, so those videos will be coming. So if you're interested in looking at some of that stuff, I'll put the links below. But other than that, have a great week, and I will see you when I get back from holiday. Thanks guys, bye.